Never one
without the other.
Servo H. This line includes the servo library, which provides function to control servo motors. Servo myServo, this declare the servo object name myServo that will be used to control the servo motor. int POT pin equals 0. This variable stores the analog pin number to which the potentiometer is connected. int val, this variable will store the current reading for the potentiometer. Void setup, this function runs once when the Arduino is powered up or reset. myServo attach 9. This line attach the servo motor to pin 9 for the Arduino board. Void loop, this function continuously runs after the setup function. Val, analog read, POT pin. This line reads the analog voltage value from the potentiometer connected to pin POT pin. The value will range from 0 to 1023. Val map equals map val 0 1023 0 179. This line scales the analog reading from the potentiometer, which range from 0 to 1023, to value suitable for the servo motor, which range from 0 to 180 degrees. myServo writes val. This line set the position of the servo motor based on the scaled value obtained from the potentiometer. Delay 15. This delay allows the servo motor to reach the desired position smoothly. The delay value of the 15 milliseconds is typically for servo motors.